Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District uba Abhilash Baranwal haka khanyo terek ulber aracara penriu ula pentib bakat kum ka jing ajingkan na ki block development officer jong ki block baper ki badon hathan Ribhoi ki don hadu shispa sau penyo teli ki Shnong ki balasha Ktah haka jingwan be kerthap ka Erïong haka mit khan riu terek ulber aracara penriu Longiing ru bapalat siajar teli ki Longiing kila Shah Ktah haka Erïong bat ki babun na ki Longiing kila mad ya ke jingjulor ka bajur kat bakat tu kanipat kila Shah Ktah malumala haka jingakran bat kilat pathai kubor Deputy Commissioner Longiing ba ka jingwan be kerthap ka Erïong bat uslap bajur kalawan ru ya ka jingthot ka boarding electric khamtam ka jing Shah Ktah ulan 132 kilovolt ha berni had ha umnyam bat kalain 33 kilovolt ha nongpo Ula kenturu ye ki pajba Shnong jong ka district bakil long ki ba husiar bha ha kini kisi namar ka jinglong jingman ka sun benang kampat long ka basngan na kalyang ka office Deputy Commissioner kala pha ye ki lat jingarap kum ukhaw ki jan kup saad bat ki waipat ki mar jingarap se ki babon ki Longiing kum shibenta ka jingarap ka bakirki ha kajugo por DC ula karpat ye kinu ki Longiing ki balasha Ktah bat ki bamyo jingarap ki deban pentib sya ka office jongu Lingba ki number balaai kanang ban pintingna ba kajingarap kan poise ki badehok banyo.
So yesterday, after a late night storm, today we took a meeting with all the BDOs, with all the line departments to assess the damage that has been inflicted upon the entire district. So as per the compilation, as per the latest report that we have received from the BDO so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, 1,028 houses to be exact, as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpo is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate dispersal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets. Simultaneously, we have issued a public notice. I'll be sharing a copy with you, wherein we have circulated numbers of block offices, of DC office. If anyone within entire district feels that they have not received the relief despite being a victim of yesterday's storm, they can reach out to us, and these numbers will remain valid for this entire monsoon season. Whenever they feel that their houses, their infrastructures have suffered damage, they can reach out to us, and we'll make sure that immediate relief can be provided to them. We are also in close coordination with media. I want to thank our friends from media who have been calling me since morning and reporting me damages, and simultaneously very thankful to the local representatives also. I'm in touch with all honorable MLAs of Ribhoi, and they have also reported different sorts of damages, which we are taking into account while dispersing relief.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.